So today I have decided to make an omelet like no other. Hopefully this turns out great. I'm not the best cook in the world. As you can see, I have some bacon bits, hot sauce, black pepper, parsley, cheese, Parmesan cheese, and then 4 eggs. So I plan on making the best omelet possible. So, first things first, get this bad boy lit up. Get the pan all nice and hot. I gotta get burning, scorching hot. So adjusting, we're gonna put in, I think it's a 3. I'm gonna dump all of this. Okay, maybe all of it was a little bit much, but it will make it work. Let me get that all nice and buttery, and I am already messing up. I need to get these eggs cracked while this thing is melting. I wouldn't survive in a restaurant. Not bad. Fork. We're gonna. Look at that. Oh yeah, for your information, if you want to learn how to make some nice fancy drinks, there you go. This is an on step. I'm going to go ahead and kind of mix it. That's probably a lot. Let me go ahead and mix that and get this out of the way. Turn that just a tad bit lower. Now, everything I'm doing right now, gotta be fast with it. So, get this cheese all nice and ready. Boom, boom. Get that right there. Let me go ahead and pour that in there. All right. Just gonna sprinkle some bacon bits in there. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get the cheese in there because it is kind of melting already. Just gonna get this in squares on the edge here. I said squares and not square. It's a rectangle. Okay, next step. Your seasonings. And I meant to add salt to this. Lots of pepper. Pep it up. Alright, just a little bit of salt. Nobody likes things too salty. Save that. I'll add a little bit to the mix in the middle. Not the whole thing yet. And I'm gonna do some Parmesan. This wasn't really a part of the plan, I just thought of it. I saved this for a reason. I'm gonna go ahead and quickly rinse that off and make sure when you do your cooking that you have all the stuff you need right next to you. Because it sucks when you don't have it. Alright. A little closer, look at that. That looks nice. It's going to be tasty, hopefully. It's almost time for flipping. Now, I'm going to start testing the edges here. Make sure that is all nice and well rounded. If some sides are not cooked kind of proportionate, just move the skillet to where it needs to go. This is probably going to be my most weird videos that I would post. haven't been judging too much as to how long this has been down for. Maybe cooking a little bit too fast. Just gonna turn it down. No rush. Okay, I'm gonna turn it this way because it's gonna be easier flipping it this way. I'm gonna flip it from the most cooked side possible. Remember the fork I mentioned earlier? We're going to use that to help us get underneath it. So we can have a lot more of a professional flip. I'm kind of messing up a little bit here. Shit happens. Yeah, we'll make do. Okay, and this ain't the best pan either. It's got scratches. It's somewhat non-stick anymore. Just got the other side that's still pretty. We're gonna let that cook for a little bit longer. Just enough to. Oh yeah, forgot. Hang on, be right back. I'm not gonna worry too much about the side. I just like to garnish it and make it look fancy. Now, of course, you can add your own stuff like diced up tomatoes or, I don't know, fruits or whatever you want to do, you know? It's your omelet. I'm going to kind of just do that. Once again, not a professional. Spank it, yeah. Just when it's nice and thick and firm, you know it's done right. That sounds weird. Toast it. Yeah, look at that. Not a torch. Just and we get the plate. Scoop it up. Not bad. I've done worse. Make sure you turn the fire off. You don't want to burn your house down. But yeah, I wouldn't say that's all too bad of an omelet. Let's cut into this bad boy. Get the bent up butter knife. Gonna be fancy and boy, look, nothing. It's not that fancy like you see in the commercials where cheese is gooing out of the middle and the center. Yeah, that's about as fancy as I get. I just did the opposite of how to basic. I showed you how to actually make an actual omelet. At least I hope it did. Anyways, good morning to y'all. Hope you have an awesome omelet like mine. Enjoy it. You've earned it.